I'll solve a few questions from here as well. 16.2, 1, 2, 3, 4 gave you. Let me do the one. Copy the diagram on squared paper. You don't need to, you can use it here as well if you want to. Well, you're ready. Maybe if you have it on the computer. Draw the image of the triangle ABC after enlargement with center O, scale factor 3. Center O, scale factor 3. That means every point here in this triangle will get 3 times bigger. So okay, A is 2 away. A should be 2 away, 3 times more, 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Biggest mistake you could do is like you start counting from, not from O, but from A. That will end up being further away, but it's not. You always take a look at the distance from O, okay? So this will be your new A. B is 4 to side, so B will, pardon, that's C. C is 4 to side, C will be 12 to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is my C. And then B is 4 to side, 2 down. That will be 12 to side, 6 down, which will be here, because I got understand from the shape. So once you match these points correctly, I cannot be so precise. Okay, that's it. So 3 enlargement with scale factor 3 and with center O. So center is very important because 2 times larger, but where do I place it? Draw the image of trapezium PQRS after enlargement with center P, scale factor 2. So this is my center. So this P point will stay as there because 0 times 2 is also 0. So this is not going anywhere. Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. Q is 5 away. Q will be 10 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is my new Q. S is 1 side, 2 up. So it will be 2 side, 4 up. It will be 1, 2 side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I like one side should become 2 side, 2 up should become 4 up because it's doubled. So this is my new S. And then my R as well, I can do the same, or I can just double this distance because I know the S point. So this distance will be, this is 2, it will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can also be smart. Okay, this is my new image. This is, you see, this is positive 3, positive 2. If it was negative 3, this shape will appear on the other side. Okay, on the other side, and like C will appear here, so it will appear on the diagonal, like somewhere in the here. This one as well, it will appear on the here. This will go this way, because minus means you also get the things inverted. Let me do 2 as well. This topic is more challenging. It was in the exam as well. You could get, you didn't know this topic then, but you can get, next time you can get many more points. Toward the image of K after enlargement center 0, 0, scale factor 2. So my center is here and scale factor is 2. That means every distance will be doubled up. So this is, let me start from this point. This is 3 up and 1 side. So it will be 3 up, doubled, 6 up and 2 side. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my new K. And no, not K. This is the new one, this point. Let me do this point as well. It is 2 to side, 4 up. So it will be 4 to side and 8 up. And this point will be 2, 2, it will be 4, 4. You see, once it gets quicker, you can also make it quicker. This point is 4 to side, 3 up. That will be 8 to side, 6 up. 8 to side, 6 up. And label it A. Labeling is quite important, okay? enlargement 8 to 3, scale factor 2. This is also like, look, they give you a different center. 8 to 3 is this, and a scale factor of 2. So the distance will get doubled up. So this is 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4 away. This will be 8 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This point will sit here. Okay, this point is 7 away. It will be 14 away. So 8 here, 6 here, 14 is here. Okay? The rest will look like same because we are using the same scale factor. It will be 2. So I can already understand, or you can try as well. You can take point by point, but I can already kind of understand from the previous shape as well. It will look like this. I don't have to be very... I can also go faster. I'll do, well, next I'll skip. I'm looking for a negative scale factor. Let me do, as a last thing, let me do this and that as well. Draw the image ABC after enlargement, center O, scale factor 4. Because it's triangle, that might be interesting. So this is my scale center, okay? Don't worry, it looks weird because the center is in between, in the middle, don't worry. So I carry the points. I have 3 points in triangle, I can carry them. Okay, B is 2 to side, 1 up. 2 to right side, 1 up. So it will be quadrupled. That means 4 times larger. So 2 to side will become 2 times 4, 8 to the side. And then the 1 to up will become 4 up because it's 4 times larger. So this is my new B point, B. A is 2 down. It will get 4 times larger. 2 down, meaning it will be 8 down, yeah? And C is 2 to left side and 2 up. So the quadrupled, 4 times larger. 2 to left will become 8 to left. And then 2 to up will become 8 to up. This time I'm smart, I'm gonna use the ruler because I know I cannot draw it. Here you go, this is 4 times larger, and then draw this image as P. ABC of scale factor 2, maybe you can do it. 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. This means that these will get smaller. Okay, and I also need to look at the center O. Okay, this is say center O, so that's how I'm gonna make it smaller. So this is 4 away from this point, it's 4 away. And it will be halved, 1 over 2 is halved. So 4 will be 2. Okay? This is 6 to side, 2 up, halved. 6 to side, 3 to side, 2 to up, 1 up. This is this point. Let me do this point as well. 4 to 4 will become half, half, 2 to 2. 2 to 2. Let me do this one. It is 4 to 8. It will be 2 to 4. Right? Labeled as A. 1/3 meaning 1/3, meaning that you'll divide by 3. Lastly, let me do this one. It says draw the PQRS with the -2. I don't know, I didn't give you this as an exercise, but -2 might be relevant to you to learn. Point O. Okay, this is 1, 2 up. Well, you can also count the squares, then you count 4 squares, but I'll just take a look at the labels on the coordinate system. So it's 2 up. It will be 4 down because it will get twice as bigger, but the opposite direction, so it will come here. It will be 2 to side, 1 up, 4 to other side, 2 down. So 4 to other side because 2 down. This will become your new Q. And R. R is 2 to 2. That means -4 to -4. Okay, look, this shape is inverted, but I cannot imagine how would it look like without doing it, carrying it one by one. This is maybe more imaginable, but still, if I don't know the center, I cannot guess it. But here, even if I get to guess the center, it's so hard because the distance get double, but also shape get weird. It's not turned, it's not, so it just gets smaller and smaller, and that's how I do it. Taking a look at every point.